Well, snow's a little deeper down here at the 4-H Center, huh? And I can't see the road to drive down. This should be interesting. I think I know where it is. Then again, I'm not really sure. I don't even know where the hell the road is. Them trees sure are hanging though. Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm on the road now. Kids, I don't think you're going to be able to play in this. It looks awful deep, but we'll give it a try. Yep. The trees are hanging. It looks cold. We'll go play for a minute. We don't care about no stinking snow. That one, there's good smells to smell. Yeah, there goes little misadventure. Watch out for falling limbs, would you, psycho woman? Oh, you've had enough? No? She's never had enough. Let's go that way now. Okay, enough video shooting. Time to go play. Palms in Wonderland. The end.